112 of 2026 relating to the gambling control, conduct of gambling operations, regulations 2026. C, legal notice number 113 of 2026 relating to the gambling control, foreign-based operators, regulations 2026. D, legal notice number 114 of 2026 relating to the gambling controlling advertising, regulations 2026. E, legal notice number 115 of 2026 relating to the gambling control, the conduct of a national lottery, regulations 2026. And E, legal notice number 115 of 2026 relating to the gambling controlling gambling appeals, regulations 2026. Honorable Speaker. B, legal notice number 127 of 2026 relating to the tourism enterprises, regulations 2026, report on public participation undertaking during the development of regulations, regulatory impact statements, and explanatory memoranda from the Ministry of Tourism and Wildlife. C, division. Honorable Speaker, this is a very important...
Order, members. Order, Wanjiku Muhia. Order, members. You can still exhibit your exuberance in low tones.
Wanjiku Muhia, you are behaving like a head girl of a primary school. Please.
Order. Order. There's nothing out of order. Go on.
Now, this
order.
is a very important. This is an important.
Order, Owen.
Legal notice.
Wanjiku Muhia, to begin with, you're out of order. Even when I call you to sit down, you remain standing. The order, I have always told you, in a House of Parliament, there is candor and banter of debate. Look up the dictionary what those two words mean.
Honorable Speaker, C. In C, this is important for you. Listen now. C, decision of the National Assembly on the report
what is out of order?
On inquiry into the conduct.
Hold on, Baya. Gogoye, what's out of order?
Mr. Speaker, I raise understanding order number 1. As the chair of the Public Service Commission, which you heard, Mr. Speaker, they are members of the Parliamentary Service Commission. They are members of the Senate that are present. I would indulge you, Mr. Speaker, that you recognize them as their chair. You recognize them at the Speaker's row, led by the Honorable Methu.
Order. Take your seat. You are totally out of order. You are totally out of order.